Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install remote PC on your MacBook so we can access the laptop. First of all, you need to go to your web browser. As you can see, Safari right here. Once you're on Safari, you need to type in this website address and press enter. Once it's opened, you need to click download host under Mac and wait for it to download. First you have to click allow. Once it's downloaded, from right down here you need to click on it and double click on remote PC attended. Once it's opened, you can close the browser and then you can double click on it and it will open. You need to click on open. Once it's opened, you will see this kind of interface. You can close this and minimize this one, and then you will have to click on open system preferences. Once this is opened, you need to click on the lock icon right down here and then type in your password, the password which you use when you turn your Mac on, and then click on unlock. Once it's unlocked, you need to click on this small checkbox and then you have to go to this accessibility. If you don't see it, you can just scroll it down and then click on accessibility and check AnyDesk box again, and then close this, and from right down here click on this one, and then you can share this address with us and we will be able to connect with you.